All right, here comes 3 easy tips to instantly improve your trading, guys. Here's what's coming up in this video. We're going to tell you why you should be working backwards. We'll explain. Hang on. Psychological hurdles can and will limit your upside over time. And maybe you should just stop losing first and then worry about making more money. Let's jump into this. Neil, why should people be working backwards when it comes to trading?
Yeah, I mean, usually people see a trade or a setup or an idea, and they're like, this stock is going up, this stock is going down, and they start with that. Like, they see a clean trend. But the problem with that is you can be right on direction, but if you can't manage the trade, nothing matters, right? So when we say work backwards, what does it mean? Answer this question. What does it mean to be wrong in the position that you want to take, right? So that's the first question I have to answer. Now, is that a hard stop? Is it a trend reversal? Is it hitting price X before a certain amount of time? Whatever that might be, answer that question first. So, I'm going to call up a trade that I had today and show you what I mean. Like I had three levels that we're working off of. The first of two were just a simple trend line here in PALT, and I came in thinking lower high. I want to short any aggressive pop that it made. But at this point, I don't know where that lower high is going to be. So I can't actually take my short position until it spikes at the open, stalls at 1350, which is a lower high from the previous day before. That's a 1425, and the day before that a 15. Once it's put in that lower high, I then can short the next pop with my out being the high of the day. Right? So if I initially took that trade, I'm wanting it only if it puts in a lower high. So I can't just simply short it randomly in front of the previous day. That's not the trade I'm trying to make. So I actually wait for it to give me the entry I want. I then have a clear stop level and I get the short. Now, if you're going to do that, of course, you might miss out on the trade because it might not give you the confirmation. But hey, I'd rather be certain on my trade and when I get it and risk losing out or missing out on some other ones than sit there breaking rules all the time and not know what it means to be wrong and then hold on too long when it goes against me.
Yeah, number two, I mean, those are great ones, and you have to plan your trade for sure every single time. And I just want to talk about emotions. I mean, psychological barriers can be the case, right? And it's like if you're looking at your P&L, you're looking at how a trade is working out. If you're stuck to that, you're stuck to it like glue every single day. Sometimes maybe if you're not having a great day, or you've read one article and it seems to influence you, you get really nervous because the broader market maybe is moving, and you're letting your emotions say, the market's falling. I got to get out of my position. Well, I mean, I have a good example here with Facebook, and I think that I've liked this name for quite a long time, and now we're in this market dip. So if you panic on a day like today, or not even a day like today, about a week ago or so, when Facebook's up here at 360, in one day we dropped down here. This is one day. This is $20. This is 360 down to 340. Well, if you get out at that very bottom, it's going to look like it was a good move now. But look what happens the next couple days. There's 343, tick, 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 back up to 354. So, you're making back half that move in just a couple days after that. So, if you jump the gun on some of these moves and you get out a little bit too early because, hey, the market's going down, or you read one or two stories on a stock, right? Make sure that you the fundamental story is still there and you don't make rash decisions based on emotion, Brendan.
The third tip, super simple, guys. You have to stop doing what doesn't work. And how do you do that? By keeping track of your trades, by understanding what is working for you, doing more of that and less of what isn't working. So start keeping very, very detailed records of your trades and eliminate the ones slowly over time that just don't work. 3 tips, guys, to improve your trading. Here's Ms. V.
Hey guys, thank you for sharing these trading tips. Dear viewers, please subscribe to this channel to see more helpful videos.